Hi everyone, in this video we will be walking through our ransomware simulation inside a Windows 11 VirtualBox environment. So we will take a closer look at how it will behave, and we will also see whether Windows Defender is able to detect and stop it or not. So let's get started. So guys, you have to first download the VirtualBox and the Windows iOS. Here in my case, I already downloaded in my drive, and I already installed the VirtualBox. I will pin both softwares, both iOS and VirtualBox link in the description. You guys go and just download and install them on your computer. Now we will first install Windows on our virtual machine. So we will go to the new. I will type here Windows 11. Let's remove the space between them. Okay. Now I will set this to my D drive, uh, VirtualBox. Yes. And here I will enter the path of my iOS and I will click next. Here I will set my username to DaVinci Codex, and I will set password 123 and 123, and I will give the 8192, and I will give them its CPU 5 CPUs and 80 GB. It's nice. Next. Okay, finish. And first it will install on the virtual box, so we'll press enter. And this process can take about 10 to 15 minutes. Now Windows is installed on our virtual machine successfully. So now we have to set up some basic settings. First of all, we see the Windows Defender. As you can see, Windows Defender is running. Real-time protection, everything is on. And here first we will do some settings. Now before that we have to come to devices, insert guest editions, click on that, and go back to the this PC. Okay, double click it and open it, this VBox Windows Edition. It will run a setup. Click on yes and then click on next, next, and install. After installing, it will ask for a reboot. Okay, let's reboot it. Now due to these settings, we can copy our files in the virtual machine very easily just by drag and dropping. So I will go to my main folder, and here is our main file. Now I will copy this file into the virtual box Windows 11. Okay, before that we have to first go to drag and drop, then go to bidirectional, and we have to copy this. Okay, before running I will go to this PC. As you can see, we only have 3 drives. We have to make 2 more drives. Okay, now I will type here disk, so you can see. So disk management is now open. We will go to the Windows C drive, right click, shrink volume, and I will give it 2000 MBs. Just like that. And these drives are empty, and we have to copy some documents. So I will go to documents and copy some random documents. So I will open the F drive and paste it here. I will copy and paste in G2, and now it's time to run our script. So I am starting my script in the small window because we have to see if our files and drives are encrypted. So you can see here our Python ransomware is running well. Okay, now I have to go to first of all, you can see Windows Defender is working well and it is now detecting our ransomware. Everything is on, and then I will go to this PC, go to F. Here you can see all files are encrypted, and all files are encrypted in this device, in this drive too. And now if I press Alt plus F4, it will go full screen. It will cover the whole screen. Okay, Alt plus F4. So you can see it now, it covers the whole screen. And let it try pressing Alt plus F4, see if it closes. Now I'm pressing Alt plus F4 and it is not closing. Let's open Task Manager and try to close it from there, and you can see Task Manager is not opening too. Actually it's opening, but it is no, we can interact with the Task Manager. So if I open Task Manager by pressing Alt plus Control plus Delete, so now I will show you guys Alt plus Tab. As you can see, Task Manager is open in the background, but we cannot interact with it. Okay, now let's reboot it, and I will go and click on okay, let's restart it. So after restarting, it will take 5 seconds to run again. As you can see, there is no encrypted.py file, it vanishes, so it is now in the stealth mode. And here it comes again. Okay, just 5 seconds and it will come again. So guys, let's call it a day for now. With this video, our project Ultimate Python Ransomware comes to an end. So if you like this video, please subscribe and leave a comment, and also share with your friends.